my channel. I am Sandhya and this is Bruno. Can you see him in the frame? Anyways, so I'm back with one more recipe and this is my favorite pub snack. So I'm actually miss eating the snack because of this quarantine and we're not able to go to pubs and eat. So guess what? I'm going to make onion rings. And trust me guys, it's super easy and you can make in less than 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you a very cool and easy way of making crispy onion rings. And so stay tuned for it. So guys, next the ingredient. So you need to mix this batter in this consistency, and I'm going to tell you what all is in this batter. So this batter has 12 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and a quarter tablespoon of chili powder, quarter tablespoon of pepper powder. And you can also increase or reduce the quantity of chili and pepper powder based on the spice levels what you want. And I generally prefer spicy food. And then the salt as per your taste. So no need for any soda or anything in this. And this is the batter consistency. Runa, are you happy? Okay, the next thing is the breadcrumbs for the dip. And one more important part, you are making onion rings and of course you need this. So you need to cut the onion rings in this fat size and try to cut it in a uniform way so that when you're frying them, you will not end up frying, some of them will be frying quickly and some of them will be raw. So make sure you maintain the consistency. And once this is ready, then I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to show you how to fry this onion ring. So guys, it's time for some action. So watch this carefully. This is very important for your onion rings to be crispy. So guys, I'm going to show you the technique how to dip the onion rings in the batter. So take one onion ring, nicely give it a bath in this mixture and get rid of this excess batter and then place it on the breadcrumbs. So once you do this, then give it a nice little mix until all the breadcrumbs are stuck to the onion rings, and then gently take the onion rings and dust the excess breadcrumbs and lay it in a plate. So you need to prepare all the onion rings before you fry them. So I'm going to do one by one. Repeat the process, and I'm going to keep all these things ready for frying. So guys, I'm done coating the onion rings with the batter and the breadcrumbs. So this is how they should look before frying, and now these are ready to fry. So come here. So guys, the oil is hot enough to fry these onion rings. So I am slowly putting them. Make sure you turn them gently, and if the oil is too hot, so reduce the flame, otherwise you'll end up burning the onion rings. So these are pretty quick to cook, but keep checking if the onion rings should a little yellowish and brown in color. That's when you know they are done. So yeah. So I think they are done. So this is how they should look, and I'm going to put them on the paper towel to remove the excess oil from it. Ta-da! The onion rings are ready, and I'm super happy the way they turned out. They're very crispy. I wish you can hear the noise, the sound of the crunchiness. They're very crunchy, yum, and you can dip it in your favorite sauce, whatever, tomato ketchup or any sauce, and you can have them. And I'm going to sit here and I've lit my candle and I'm going to play some nice music, eat this onion ring and enjoy my beer. Cheers guys. It's all worth the effort. Trust me guys, putting makeup, dressing up and cooking in kitchen, not okay. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do try this recipe, and also please tag me in your stories if you did try this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.